Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a flight test experience of the RadioMaster Pocket. The RadioMaster Pocket is a compact and lightweight transmitter, yet surprisingly powerful in terms of functionality. It is designed for RC hobbyists and drone enthusiasts who value portability, while still delivering a complete and professional feature set. The Pocket is available in two internal RF versions: the ExpressLRS 2.4 GHz version and the MPM CC2500 multi-protocol version, allowing users to choose based on their receiver ecosystem. It comes pre-installed with the EdgeTX operating system, offering a highly customizable interface, advanced mixing options and strong expandability. One thoughtful design detail is the built-in LED indicator system. These LEDs help users quickly identify switch positions, such as the SA and SD switches. Even in low-light environments, the indicators remain clearly visible, improving both convenience and operational safety. In real flight testing, the first impression of the Pocket is how light and agile it feels. Thanks to its small size and low weight, it can be held comfortably for extended periods without causing wrist fatigue, making it ideal for travel and long practice sessions. Despite its compact form factor, the gimbal throw and stick feel remains solid and precise, with no toy-like sensation. During flight, control input response is quick and accurate. The aircraft reacts promptly to stick movements, whether during smooth cruising or rapid attitude adjustments. Overall, the controls feel sensitive, smooth, and well synchronized, while the ergonomic grip ensures a stable and confident flying experience. Overall, the RadioMaster Pocket successfully combines portability with performance. If you're looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly transmitter that still delivers a professional control experience, the Pocket is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next flight test.